Game Maker Studio focused on 2D games. The engine came out in 1999. And it's surprising how quickly can you go from nothing to a working game. You can literally place objects, assign behaviors, and have something playable within minutes. You can drag and drop logic like you're building with blocks, or switch to its scripting language, GML, when you want more control, so it kind of grows with you. Just like Godot, its core strength is 2D. Platformers, pixel art games, top-down shooters. This is its comfort zone. Games like Undertale, Hotline Miami, and Katana Zero came out of it, which says a lot. But there's a limit. The moment you try to go beyond 2D or build something massive, Game Maker starts to feel like, okay, that's enough. It's not trying to compete with Unreal or Unity in scale or flexibility. So the best way to think about it is this. Game Maker is all about speed over power. We've only scratched the surface of these well-known game engines. I know there are many more out there, some less popular, some owned by specific studios. But if I tried to cram all of them into one video, I'd only be able to mention their names, let alone explain their features.